Welcome to my class, your class. Hello everyone. Today we are going to travel around the world and discover how people celebrate Easter in different countries. Easter is an important holiday in many places. It is a time for family, traditions, and celebration. Let's explore some countries together. In the United States, children love the Easter egg hunt. Parents hide colorful eggs in the garden or in parks. Then children run and look for the eggs. Some eggs have candy or small toys inside. It is a fun game for the whole family. In the United Kingdom, people enjoy hot cross buns during Easter. These are sweet bread rolls with raisins and a cross on top. Many families eat them on Good Friday. Children also receive chocolate eggs as gifts. In Germany, people decorate Easter trees with colorful eggs. These trees are called Osterbaum. Families hang painted eggs on tree branches in their gardens. It looks very beautiful in spring. In Brazil, Easter is famous for large chocolate eggs. Stores sell many different types of eggs, often wrapped in colorful paper. Families usually gather for a special Easter lunch. Fish dishes are also very common on Good Friday. In France, there is a special tradition. According to the story, church bells stop ringing from Friday to Sunday. People say the bells fly to Rome and come back on Easter Sunday. When they return, they bring chocolate eggs for children. In Italy, Easter is a big religious celebration. Many people go to church and spend time with their families. A traditional Easter cake is called Colomba di Pasqua. It is shaped like a dove, which is a symbol of peace. In Australia, the Easter Bunny has some competition. Many people celebrate with the Easter Bilby instead. The bilby is a small native animal with long ears. This tradition helps raise awareness to protect the species. As we can see, Easter traditions are different around the world. Some countries celebrate with chocolate eggs. Others celebrate with special food, games, and traditions. But everywhere, Easter is a time for family celebration and happiness. How do people celebrate Easter in your country? Tell me in the comments. And Happy Easter! See you in the next video.